St Andrew Technical High and the title holders at Jamaica College started the quarter-final round of the Issa Manning Cup with wins over St Catherine High and Mona High respectively at the Stadium East field today.
2019 beaten finalist St Andrew Technical got into the quarter-final round after a boardroom decision saw Camperdown and Tivoli Gardens High being ejected for using ineligible players. However, the Bumper Hall-based team did not miss a stride against the highly favoured St Catherine High, running out 4-1 winners in the curtain raiser at Stadium East. Their talisman Omar Leng led from the front, netting the first of a hat-trick in the 18th minute. And he was back at it again in the 36th minute as Stats went into the break leading 2-0. Omar Reed further took the sting out of St Catherine in the 75th minute before Leng returned for his third of the contest in the 78th. Dwight Gentle scored a consolation for St Catherine in the 86th minute.
Today is one of the most complete games that we have played all season. We have been playing well all season as a matter of fact, but today was a more complete game in terms of in all departments, and we were able to also score 4 goals against a very good St Catherine team, which is also a plus.
Many-time champions Jamaica College prevailed 2-0 in a heated battle against neighbours Mona High in the other Group 1 quarter-final contest. JC's skipper, Duncan McKenzie, scored from the spot to give the Dark Blues a deserved lead in the 54th minute. Shamron Phillips made the point safe in the 68th minute for the Davian Ferguson coached JC team, which saw them securing a 5th straight win.
We expected exactly what happened in the game. We knew Mona would have came out with heart. They're aggressive, they press a lot. In the first half, we didn't interpret the situation well. At halftime, we made a few adjustments. We know that once we get past the first line of press, we had acres behind them and then acres behind the back line. So that's what we did at halftime, adjusted a little bit, and then in the second half, it paid dividends.
The competition continues on Saturday with Group 2 action as Excelsior take on Kingston Technical at 1 p.m. before Kingston College opposes Charlie Smith at 3 p.m. Keon Rayner reporting for TVJ Sports.